हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल आपलाज एजे। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। और आज अभी सुबह सुबह हम लोग तैयार होके निकले हैं फॉर अ सिलेक्टर हब कम्युनिटी कॉन्फ्रेंस। फाउंडर ऑफ सिलेक्टर हब टूल, संजय जी कुमार, who is well known for creating tools like selector hub, then crowpath, test studio, etc etc. So काफ़ी अच्छा ये कम्युनिटी का हर टाइम में like we have the conference meet hubs, small meet hubs आप बोल सकते हो। सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। और ये ऐसा था कि आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर इट, तो फाइनली गॉट अ चांस टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट। और आज देखते हैं कि क्या उसमें से हम लोग कुछ चीज़ें लर्न कर पाते हैं। वी विल ट्राई टू गेन मोर नॉलेज ऑन इट। एंड इसका आगे का क्या एडवांस कुछ आया है, संजय जी हमें ज़रूर गाइड करेंगे एंड ही विल लेट अस नो। सो अभी मैं जा रहा। सो गाइस, हम लोग आ चुके हैं पंचशील टेक पार्क वेन्यू। पैटर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज काफ़ी बढ़िया वेन्यू है ये। अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे। क्या हाईटेक है यार ये लिफ्ट एंड ऑल। ये अपनी लिफ्ट खुल गई। दिस लुक।
हाथ नीचे होने लगे।
अब
Okay,
चल
you
रहा है
tell
अपना
me.
क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन।
B. Okay, let me see someone else.
काफ़ी जनता है यहाँ पे,
So it
काफ़ी
could be
क्राउड
right
है।
as well. I'm just seeing.
Here he is, संजय
Four
कुमार।
is the. And what about C? So that loader, like from not doing that technical here. So once that loader get completed, that's where it will immediately show the timing. Constantly test करते हैं. We don't like do the performance testing or of that page or link testing of that page. Do you guys agree that हम actual में नहीं करते, वो just skip करते हैं, right? And because of that reason, sometimes we used to put. So guys, I guess pictures on LinkedIn or there is a network issue because I have a very less
सेल्फी
response. See
कॉन्टेस्ट
only. Okay,
ऑर्गेनाइज्ड
so
बाय
we are
पैटर्न
going to
टेक्नोलॉजीज।
first floor. There we have. Okay, zero is the right answer. Now, what is the first thing tester does when there is a bug in production?
Hey, hello guys. So we are enjoying this Selectors of Meetup session. It's a very nice session where we got to know about different things, many new things, like 90% of which I hadn't used. So now it will be much more efficient in my work, as well as incorporating it will give better efficiency and growth. So just here we have a member who has joined this.
Hello, hi. I'm using Selector Hub quite frequently in our daily task, and it's really helpful as already he has mentioned that I already told him that I am using his debug functionality, and it's very useful because in our there is a lot of loading, and we need to capture and then we need to find the locators and all. So this Selector Hubs play a very crucial role in our daily job.
How you find this today's meetup?
So I find it in testing daily, of course, one of the
Great, great.
in Selectors Hub of features on the testing daily. So I request everyone to download the Selector Hub testing daily. It will be really helpful for your daily life. Get easy. Thank you.
Basically an associate QA lead. Have been working in the quality assurance field from 10.5 years. The Selectors Hub meetup has been really good. I would say that I would give a quick appreciation for Sanjay Kumar here, because the products that he has created are very beneficial and helpful for all the QAs. It is helping in solving the pain points of all the QAs. The day-to-day problems. There are a lot of day-to-day problems that we all face, and it is helping a lot in that. I would say his products have been very good. I have been using his app, testing daily. It has been helping me to migrate through different videos, through different, you can say, different sites, and yeah, it really
I
helps.
have
Thanks.
come to this meetup as my friends told me that this will be very nice. And I actually found for the first time that is about Selectors Hub, and very good tools, very useful. So I will be definitely going to use them, explore them. Yeah.
It was definitely very useful and very innovative as well, and also a lot of tools which are there by represented by Selectors Hub, like Test Case Studio or maybe Auto Test Data and other tools, Testing Daily. So that tools were also being covered in this meetup. So it was definitely a good meetup.
So I got to know about this meetup from a friend, but this meetup really helped me to got to know about so many extension and tools, and which will help actually to a QA to to actually build a proper framework with definite time. It will take very less time to build any XPath or any, if you want to automate or you want to verify any UI automation or API. Definitely this hub will definitely help you, Selectors Hub, and it really helped. Thank you.
First time I'm attending this QA meetup. Yeah, it was very helpful for me. I could learn a lot of new things to attend this QA meetup. Like many new idea how to find XPath with differently. So new idea, new concepts I could learn to attend this meetup, and it was really helpful for me to grow myself, my career. Thank you.
I have joined this workshop with my friend Ajinkya. We come to know about this workshop from LinkedIn, and Sanjay is my connection on LinkedIn. So he posted about Selectors Hub, Testing Daily, and all other apps. Those are day to day useful for our testing, and we can increase our productivity by using these connections. Thanks to all organizers and Sanjay Kumar. Thank you.
सो अभी छोटा सा स्नैक्स ब्रेक हुआ है और इन लोगों ने यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा हमारे लिए स्नैक्स का अरेंजमेंट किया है. सो वी हैड गुड रिव्यूज़ फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ द folks who has come to join this meetup, and they are enjoying it. So अभी लास्ट एक प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेशन होने वाला है फॉर winners from the contest of taking more selfies and uploading it to the LinkedIn link that was given. So I missed it out, but it's okay. Guys, here is Sanjay Kumar, the founder of Selector Hub. So they had organized a very good meetup here for all the testing community as well as the developers. So this was such a really good and amazing event for me to participate, and many of the things which I have not used, now I'm using it, and I got to know many more things like the other books. So it was a great session. So I would say many thanks from all the community to you for inventing such new products, new utilities which are making life easier for developers and testers. So keep going and creating such utilities for us so that we can use it and make our work efficient. So it was nice to join this. Behind this good workshop of meetup of Selectors Hub, there is a team which had organized this in a very well mannered, and all the efforts have been worked. And thank you for from the community to all of you guys. So this is Pattern Technology. Great. Guys, अच्छा मीटअप रहा एंड इट वाज क्वाइट रियली फ्रूटफुल सेशन. अभी अभी जस्ट हम लोग सेशन कंप्लीट करके आए हैं. काफ़ी सारे लोगों के हमने रिव्यूज़ लिए हैं, एंड हाउ सिलेक्टर्स हब कम्युनिटी इज़ हेल्पिंग ऑल द टेस्टर्स एंड डेवलपर्स. बेसिकली हमने ये जाना उसके क्या क्या एडवांस फीचर्स है, ये भी संजय कुमार जी ने हमको बताए, एंड रियली काफ़ी अच्छा है. एंड 100% इट्स रियली सेविंग आवर टाइम. और जो भी कुछ अगर आपको ऑटोमेशन हो या कोडिंग में कुछ क्वेरीज आ रही होगी, सिंपली पुट द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ सिलेक्टर्स हब इन योर ब्राउज़र एंड आप इसको फ्रीली यूज़ कर सकते हो. सारा कुछ फ्री है. अगर उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि अगर आपकी कंपनी में इट्स नॉट अलाउड, देन यू कैन मेक इट वाइट लिस्ट एंड देन यू कैन यूज़ इट. It's absolutely secured. There is no any chance of any vulnerability or security threat. So Selector Hub is made for that. And Testing Daily एक इनका ऐप है जो आप ज़रूर आपके मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन गेट डेली अपडेट्स ऑन द टेस्टिंग ट्रेंड्स, लाइक जो भी कुछ नए टूल्स आ रहे हैं या फिर उसमें कुछ नई नई चीज़ें आ रहे हैं, एडवांस फीचर्स आ रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू एनी टेस्टिंग टूल, यूटिलिटी एक्सेट्रा आप वो जान सकते हैं. सो इट वाज रियली गुड. ऐसे और हम लोग मीटअप्स में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, व्लॉग्स बनाते जाएंगे. सो थैंक्स टू माय फ्रेंड किरण जिन्होंने हमें इनवाइट किया आज. एंड आई वाज नॉट हैविंग एनी इन्फो अबाउट दिस मीटअप, बट किरण ने बताया. एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स. लाइक 10 ईयर्स, अभी मोर देन 10 ईयर्स आई थिंक हुआ है कि हम लोग साथ में हैं. एंड वी आर इनटू IT प्रोफेशन. सो हम लोग इसको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं लाइक वी यूज्ड टू अटेंड सच काइंड ऑफ मीटअप्स. थैंक यू.